Hi everyone, let's look at how acids react with bases to form salt and water. You need to remember that every laboratory acid that we use forms a different salt. Hydrochloric acid will always form chloride salts, nitric acid will always form nitrates, and sulfuric acid will always form sulfates. Let's have a look at our reaction. Acid plus base will react to form salt and water. That's our neutralisation reaction. Let's have a look at some examples. Here I've got an acid, hydrochloric acid. I'm going to react it with a base, a metal base, aluminium oxide. What salt is this going to actually form? As they react, the aluminium takes the chloride ion and forms aluminium chloride. Remember that hydrochloric acid always forms a chloride salt. We had our hydrochloric acid, it's reacted to form a chloride salt. And the leftover hydrogen and oxygen react to form water. Okay, let's have a look at that one again. What we had was hydrochloric acid reacting with aluminium oxide. They reacted to form a salt. The salt takes the chloride from the hydrochloric acid and the metal name aluminium from the base to form aluminium chloride and water. All right, let's try another one. Here I've got nitric acid. Remember, nitric acid will always form a nitrate. So here's our acid, nitric acid. Let's take magnesium oxide this time. So nitric acid and magnesium oxide, they react to form a salt and water. What's the name of the salt? It's going to be magnesium nitrate plus water. Okay, let's have one more go with sulfuric acid. Remember, sulfuric acid reacts to form a sulfate salt. So, sulfuric acid, let's go for potassium hydroxide as our base this time. Sulfuric acid plus potassium hydroxide. Can you already work out what the salt is going to be? Let's have a look. We move our potassium over here. On the other side, it's sulfate. So when you react those two, you make potassium sulfate plus water. I hope that helps. Email me if you've got any other problems.